shop talk. We're looking at the Pioneer 3270. That's that 77cc motor. Very high performance chainsaw for the firewood cutters back in 1969. This one just runs beautiful. And we'll take a look at some of the features it had for 1969. Had the automatic and manual oiler, little pump right here. Top load on your gas reservoir. Access a spark plug on the low side here, a little cover. The wrap handlebars and a large falling spike. And has the 28-inch bar and chain, sprocket nose, Windsor bar. That's a chisel bit. Had the high performance exhaust system. That's factory for 1969. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. Just a great old vintage muscle saw from Canada.